Welcome everybody, you're looking live at the Chapter 4 Test Solutions with me, Mr. Goldman, and First Period. Woohoo! We are excited to be here, folks. All right. There's yeah. Hey! There's the standards we'll be covering. This printed out on 17 pages, so we'll have plenty of room. All right, here we go. Enter the scale factor from original to copy. Well, scale factor equals copy over original, or copy slash. What?
Tax evasion.
Ah! All right. Okay, calm down. This is an instructional video. All you do is take corresponding sides. So on the new, we'll take the right side. That's 3. On the original, it's 6. 3/6 is 1/2. Dun, 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 dun. All right, enter the scale factor from original to copy. I can barely read that. Okay, copy over original is, we'll do the copy is, we'll take the, is that 8? No, it's not, it's 6. 6 over 4, or 3/2. Dun, 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 beautiful. All right. All right, now we have to determine the value of the question mark. This is the same triangle as before. I know it's hard to see. This is 4, 5, and 3, and this is 6 and 4.5. So our scale factor is 3/2. So the original times scale factor equals new. All right, so if my original side is 5, then I'm going to multiply that by 3/2 and get 15/2, or 7.5 meters. There we go. All right, Standard 8. Hannah, very excited about her new video game and wants to buy some new upgrades because she's not great at gaming. Sorry, Hannah. The video game itself costs Hannah $59.99, and each upgrade she buys costs her $4. It's a relationship between the number of upgrades Hannah buys and the total price. Proportional. So let's do upgrades to price. 0 upgrades, she still has to pay $59.99 for the video game. We have already shown it's not proportional, right? So not proportional. 1 upgrade would be $63.99, and 2 upgrades would be $67.99. So obviously doubling also doesn't work. Gentlemen, stop. Thank you. All right, your explanation should be more than just the words not proportional. You should talk about the fact that one value is 0, the other value is not 0, and that doubling doesn't work. All right. Sammy is craving egg rolls and goes to her favorite restaurant to buy some for dinner with her friends Sammy and Sammy. A single egg roll costs $3.50, and 6 egg rolls cost $17.50. All right. Number of egg rolls and cost. Well, if you buy 0 egg rolls, how much do you pay? 0. Oh, so we're good, right? No, I have to make sure that the rate is consistent. So 1 egg roll is $3.50. At this rate, what would 5 egg rolls cost? I would do 5 times the unit rate, which is $3.50, and I would get $17.50. However, 6 egg rolls cost $17.50. So is this proportional? No. Because you get a little deal for buying 6 egg rolls. All right. So again, no. And your explanation should talk about something from this. Somehow describe that the cost of the egg rolls is not consistent. Mr. Goldman loves to go for a run each morning. He runs the first mile in 4 minutes, and it takes him 20 minutes to finish his 5-mile loop. Is the relationship between number of miles ran and number of minutes proportional? And yes, this is proportional because I run at exactly the same time, right? Actually, time should be here.
You have to tie your shoe.
0 hours is 0 miles. No, minutes. 4 minutes is 1 mile. 8 is 2. 3, 4. It's consistent, right? It's just times 4 or divided by 4, right? So I ran at exactly the same rate. This is proportional. Right? You guys are pretty good with that question. All right. What is the unit rate? Burritos and days. Well, okay, and this is 1 day. It's hard to see. What I do to find the unit rate on a graph is I start at x equals 1. I go straight up till I hit the line, and then I go over and I find this value, which is 3. So the unit rate is 3 burritos per day. Whenever you're writing the unit rate, you should include both variables and the word per, right? Y per x. What is the unit rate here? A lot of you tried to cheat and take the easy way out and say it's 4 hours per 1 mile, but unit rate is always y per x. So I needed miles per hour. So a couple things I could have done here. Again, start at 1, go up, and then I could have tried to figure out what that value is. 1 is up here, so it's clearly less than 1, right? Or if you know that this point is 4, 1, right, x, y, then you divide y by x, gives you the unit rate. All right, unit rate equals y over x. Okay, so I would have 1 over 4. All right, so 1, 4, or 0.25 miles per hour. And you can't see that, but there it is. All right. All right, number 9. What is the unit rate? You guys did very well with this. It is $2.50 per sandwich, right? Because I multiply x by 2.50 to give me y. For all of those, it's consistent with all of them. What is the unit rate here? Well, it's 12 cookies per box. All right, number 11. What's my rule? Okay, so we know that there's 12 cookies per box. That's the unit rate. Now we just need to write it in this form, y equals kx, where k is the unit rate. So all I do is plug in 12 for k, and I am done. Y equals 12x. Has to be in that form. Number 12, write an equation in the form of y equals kx for the following proportion. Melts rides his bike for 3 hours and travels 27 miles. This is y. This is x. The first step is to find the unit rate, which is y divided by x, right? So 27 divided by 3, which is 9 miles per hour. So my equation is just y equals 9x. Number 13. Hamza watches 21 episodes of anime every 3 days. That's my Y, that's my X. So, first I have to find my unit rate, which is k, which is y divided by x. So 21 divided by 3, or 7 episodes per day. So my equation is just y equals 7x. Number 14. Combine like terms to simplify. We had some struggles with this. 3x plus 7x. Always grab the symbol to the left. 3x plus 7x is 10x. Positive 12 and positive 5 is plus 17. We cannot simplify any further. Number 15. We'll start with the x squareds. Plus 2x squared plus 4x squared is 6x squared. We have 3x plus 3x plus x plus x. So 3, 6, 7, 8x. Here, a lot of people lost these minus signs. So we have plus 11 minus 7 minus 1. So 11 minus 7 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Number 16. 3x squared minus 6 plus 6 plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 9. So again, start with the x squared. 3x squared plus 3x squared is 6x squared. Now we have minus 6x minus 4x, which is minus 10x. And then you have plus 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 is negative 3. And now everybody's favorite, the distributive property. You have to distribute by multiplication the 4 to both terms. 4 times 2x is 8x. Since we're adding, I'm going to add. 4 times 16 is 64. A lot of people are adding 4 to 16. But no, 8x plus 64. 5 times x is 5x minus 5 times 5 is 25. This one's a little more challenging because we have the negatives. Negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x minus negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, or we can rewrite that as negative 6x plus 4. Either one of these works. All right. And that's it. Your retest is Friday. We have magically transported to 5th period. Hey, 5th period! Look at that! Woohoo! Good luck on your retest.